Even as Comptroller and Auditor General of India CAG report has revealed undue favours and wasteful expenditures worth crores in implementation of different schemes in the state, BJP leader and Cabinet Minister A.L. Hek on Tuesday said that allegations have to be properly authenticated and proven before taking any action in any matter. Stating that it is the duty of the CAG to report on such issues, he added that the concerned departments will accordingly reply. He also said that if anything wrong has occurred, it is the duty of the government to rectify it.
Any action to be taken for anything, it has to be authenticated. It has to be proven. Without that, no action can be taken like that. Not emotionally to take action against anybody. Let's be reasoning properly, think properly. Then only whatever action has to be taken, that will be taken. As a duty of CAG to find out any wherever they can identify the misuse of funds. That's a duty of the CAG. So they are doing the job, and the state will reply accordingly to that.